The monster, the myth, the legend. In celebration of its 68th anniversary, we will be looking at Gojira. In November 3, 1954, the world was introduced to the iconic monster that will eventually become a symbol of anti-nuclear warfare, Gojira. Gojira, also known as Godzilla outside Japan, was conceptualized to be an embodiment of everything frightening about nuclear weapons. Its head and neck resembles a mushroom cloud. The skin resembles burnt scars of the victims from the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bombings. It feeds off and emits atomic radiation from its body, contaminating anywhere it is present. Finally, Godzilla's attacks using its atomic breath can deal a lot of damage in a wide area within a short amount of time. Godzilla is the main antagonist in the 1954 movie Gojira. Here, the humans are rampaged by a force of nature triggered by the effects of atomic testing. Despite throwing everything at Japan's disposal, it has little to no effect to Godzilla. Meanwhile, a scientist, Dr. Saizawa, invented the oxygen destroyer, a chemical bomb that reduces everything to skeletons. This bomb will eventually be used to kill Godzilla and Dr. Serizawa, saving the humans from the threat of Godzilla and preventing the oxygen destroyer to be further used as a weapon of war. Future Godzilla incarnations will follow the same blueprint from the original King of the Monsters, each one of them a sequel to the original Godzilla movie in 1954. They became champions for different causes: climate change, cloning, pollution, religion, space travel, and pretty much every woe in Japanese politics, constantly reminding us that our ultimate downfall starts from the greatest monster of all, us. Happy 68th birthday, Godzilla! And thank you guys for sticking around and celebrating Godzilla's birthday with us. This has been The Hobbyist. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Peace!